Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe and hit the like button. In today's video, I will show you how you can transform the trunk of your old car. If you stay until the end of the video, I will show you step by step how you can get this done, and also a full diagram how you can connect all the wires. Had to remove car retainer clips. Got couples over here. My car has 4. Let me go ahead and see if I can remove it with my hands. It kind of works, with your hands, but it can be a little tough to pull it out. Try it with a bigger one.
Alright, just do the same with this one. So, it's the same process, as you can see. And then this one.
This is how the retaining clip looks like.
Alright, moving forward.
Clips, locking activator, relay 12 volts, screwdrivers, screws. Very important if you box with the fuse inside. 40 amps, very important before you start doing anything. Disconnect your positive terminal from your battery. Locate our relays, so I will show you step by step in all the connections or the wirings and everything. Just stay to the end of the video, and you will see something that is gonna help you a lot during the whole installation process. Right now, I just give you a overview how everything looks like. That way you get a little familiar with it. And this red wire is gonna be 87A, so we don't need this wire. Press it, so it's gonna send electricity to the actuator. This brown cable is the one that sends the signal from that starter box to my relay. I got a video where I show a little bit how it looks like. This red cable is gonna be the ones that's gonna be connected directly from the positive terminal from your battery. You can use your tester to check them out. This is the actuator, a close look, make a little test. Okay, as you can see right there, if we put green or negative, it's gonna push it out. And if we put it the opposite way, it's gonna just push it in. If you can see right there. So we need our green wire connected to the negative terminal from the battery. So we don't need 87A, a yellow wire. Some relays comes with different wire colors. So we're going to go ahead and connect it to these bolts or the chassis of your car. This is a relay diagrams. Just follows the numbers. Okay, we got this. Make 2 little holes right there, and this is how I just connect this. Let's go ahead and test it out manually to make sure they have enough room and all that. Let's go ahead and test it out with the remote. Okay, it's working. So just run your wire, grab your electrical tape, your zip tie, and you can use these enclosures right here to keep all cables inside. If you stayed until the end of this video, thank you so much for your support. Please subscribe and hit the like button, and comment down below if you like this video. This is the diagram how you are going to connect all the wires and all the connections that go from the actuator to the remotes and from the remotes to the relay. Go ahead and put everything together. Put your cover. Retainer clips, put it back in, just push it in. Okay, it's very simple, just put it in there and that's it. Put everything back again, and we'll just test it out. Okay, you can still open your trunk through right there, you can see. If you want me to make another video where I can make the trunk to open through a push button, comment down below. That way I know that you are interested in this type of video and I can keep going making more for you. Thank you.